Now let's proceed with this question Q2. So basically we are asked to have these following views: front view from A, side view, top view, and partially auxiliary view. However, I did already provide a tutorial about on how to create views in AutoCAD. So I will be now focusing here on creating this wedge 2D draw or 3D drawing. So I have now an open file here in AutoCAD. Again, as usual, type UN for units, and this is already in millimeters. Just okay. Then go to the 3D modeling. Now, when we are on the 3D modeling, we can choose your preferred XYZ plane. So now let's change this into this one. So first we have line 85. So I will click the line, starting point, and 85. Type 85 for the length. Okay, so I have 85 here, and we have up of 8. So 8 here, 8 here, and we have a 30-degree angle. So in creating an angle, since this is on the front, we need first to change the view to front. Again, drop down of the world, front. Okay, look at the grid lines, it's changed. So we need to click the line. This will be our starting point. And again, type less than symbol. Then since this is 30, type negative 30 for the left direction. Okay, so this is negative 30. Click anywhere, click any endpoint. Since we do have a given here of 30 height, so let's just create a polyline here, 30. Then click enter. So this will be a trim here, 30. Okay, so that's it. So that's our curve. And we have another 90-degree here. Okay, so what should we do? So for this one, we can calculate actually when we put an XYZ plane here, but we will not do that. So we'll just create a line here, a 90-degree angle. Then make sure to select these two, then type JO for join, enter. So now they are joined together. Now type AL for align, click align, then select object tool, this one, then enter. Specify first source point. So click this one, and this is the destination point, and click the second point, and this is the destination point. Then enter. Okay, now it aligns on the 30-degree. The 90-degree angle aligned on the 30-degree. So this is it. Then we just need to click this line, then type X for explode, then delete this overlapping line, delete. Now we have here a height, which is a 17. So just click this line, and the starting point is here. Then we need to type 17. And make sure it intersects on this line. Then type this unnecessary extension. Again, that I use trim for that. And now we have this side view of the wedge. Just make sure to join, select all of them, then type JO for join. Now we have joined this one. Okay, so now make sure to go back to the original view of the world. Then we need to extrude this by 40, right? So just click this one, click extrude, type 40. Again, change the visual to realistic. Okay, now this is exactly the same here on this figure. Now we have, let's create this first. So we have 12 and a 20. So for that, for us to be able to do that, again, click this rectangle, then click any point and click dimensions, and our dimensions is 20 by 12. Type 20, enter, then 12, enter, and this is it. Then move, just click this one, type M for move, then click the midpoint and move this to here. And that's it. We will now click this press pull and select this face. Make sure the rectangle is highlighted. Click. Um, go to the bottom, and that's it. We have now this figure. Next is the circle. If the circle 28 from the middle. So for us to do that, we will make sure that this is also a 90 degree. Okay, so let me just go ahead and double check. Front. So we need to check if this is an actually 90 and this is a 30 degree. Okay, so let's just check. Let's check if this is really the correct angle that we had. So let me just go ahead and here on the angle here and here. It's actually 90. And here and here and here. It's actually 30. So we are correct. So I think this is correct, but it is not what indicated on the picture. But yeah, let's go ahead and continue with this one. And we need to delete this unnecessary line. Delete. Then realistic back. And I'm sure this is a hole here. Okay, so create a hole. Just need to create a hole. By just, sorry, we need to go back to the 3D modeling. And maybe the hole is until here. Yeah, just like that. So I think that's our wedge. And thank you for watching.